Highlight, finally seeing a gaming powerhouse in the 1500 yuan range. The Gen 5 67S1 has teamed up with Tianji to create a Tianji 8400 Max chip, claiming to have deeply optimized it for gamers. As usual, before the in-depth test, we'll arrange a unit for everyone in the comments section. Let's start with Genshin Impact, maxing out all the graphics effects. Using the testing standards of flagship chips, we ran through the maze for an hour. With the support of the GT performance engine, the average rate can reach 58.3. After an hour, the phone's battery dropped by 21%, with an ambient temperature of 16 degrees, and the phone's temperature was around 40 degrees. If you attach a cooling back clip, activate the burn mode, and then enable the super frame rate, you read that right, it can overclock to 120 frame mode. The experience is almost zero latency, close to the effect of native 120 frames. It seems that among the same tier of devices, only this one supports it, which deserves praise. This time some fun features have also been added, like this ultra-saving one-key combo. Once activated, it will pre-record a sequence, and after saving it, you can achieve one-key automatic thunderstrike like I did, and you can also set up one-key healing. There's also a game feature where after setting up the connection, you can achieve one-key sublimation for instant crouching. Even if you haven't played for many days, you can perform complex operations like a pro. I also tested PUBG Mobile for everyone, and to get straight to the conclusion, the safe range is only around 10 people. While in intense gunfights, it can maintain around 90 frames with voice chat. After all, as a mid-range chip, it definitely has a performance ceiling, and you can't expect it to perform like a flagship chip. During the test, I recorded an average frame rate of 88.4, and the overall gaming performance reached the level expected of this Dimensity 8400 Max chip. Played for an hour, battery dropped by 19%, with a stable temperature around 34 degrees, thanks to its 7700 square millimeter ultra-wide area single-piece cooling system. The VC really doesn't get hot. Finally, looking at Honor of Kings with HD and 120 frame mode enabled, played for an hour, and during this time, the average frame rate for each match consistently hit 120 frames. For a small game like Honor of Kings, performance remains stable, and it also has AI assistance to predict win rates. Recording enemy skills has become a feature I use to avoid in Honor of Kings. Finally, after playing for an hour, the battery dropped by 15%, with an actual temperature around 32 degrees. After testing 3 games, the remaining battery is 44%. This 7000 seems to be the battery's endurance. What do you all think? Now, fast charging has become standard, and you don't have to worry about overheating while playing games and charging at the same time. This time it also comes with the Sky Communication System 2.0, which in real test, even in underground parking lots, provides ultra-low network latency while playing Honor of Kings. No need to worry about lag. Mine is the Kanglin Mecha version with a robust mecha design on the back, paired with a deep blue color, fully embracing the mecha style. This time it also features full-level waterproofing, ensuring it's not only stylish, but also reliable in quality. Alongside, the Realme Boss Air 7 earphones were released, featuring 52 dB deep sea noise cancellation, 52-hour ultra-long battery life, support for 3D spatial audio, and a 12.4mm solid-state dynamic driver. Paired with the Genwu 67 SE, it's a perfect combination. Great performance, excellent battery life, and reliable quality. And after national subsidies, the price has surprisingly dropped to the 1500 yuan range. I feel it's very sincere, suitable for both gamers and students.